Hi everyone, we are Airsoft Taiwan. Today we have new product from the SRC and they are SR5. We talked about the SR5 earlier before, and at that time we have two test samples and they are fixed stock and the retractable stock. And today we have another version. They are folding stock and no stock version. And the upper receiver, they are still made of steel, no problem. And it also offer you the QD flash hider. And as for the select lever, it's on the left side of this weapon. So for the right hand users, it's no problem. But when we rotate to the other side, you can see there's no select lever right here. But you can see the indicators show still the function. The folding stock is truly useful. And when I pull the charge handle, you can see the ejection port is open and you can see the nozzle head inside the injection port. And only when you cock it, so we can switch to the safety mode, or we will stay in semi-fire mode. And later we will see the internals. But before that, I want to tell you the special design of this magazine. This magazine carry about 33 round BB bullet, and they have screws in the bottom of the tube. It's used to insert the CO2 cartridge. Once you insert the CO2 cartridge, you can tighten the screw and they will penetrate the CO2 cartridge and release the power. The magazine design is so unique. If you open this magazine, you can see there's a lot of BB bullets inside the magazine once you fill it. So it's easy to calculate and measure how many rounds left in this magazine. Okay, now we field strip this SR5 and the progress are similar like the MP5. You need to remove the lock pins from the rear and then you can remove the stock. And the difference is the SR5 has two hex screws in both sides of the rail, so you need to remove the rail so you can take out the plate. So you can take out the whole ball carrier. Then you can field strip it. But first of all, we test the material. The recoil spring guide tube is made of steel, but the ball carrier didn't. And the ball carrier, actually they are so unique. They are ball bearings on both sides of the ball carrier, so they are trying to make sure the ball will move forward and to the rear smoothly. And there are two screws used to tighten the nozzle. The nozzle head is also made of steel too, but as for the frame, it didn't. Okay, the next, we take a look about the trigger set internal. The hammer is not made of steel, but the disconnector does. And as for the sear inside the trigger box, it still looks like made of zinc. As for the select lever, it's not made of steel too, and so does the trigger, it's made of aluminum. But as for the fire pin, you can see the fire pin is actually made of steel. You can see the magnet attached on the fire pin. Okay, now we want to test the FPS. We use the fresh CO2 cartridge and the .2 BB. So the FPS goes to about 480, and if we transfer to the MPS goes to about 147. And now we want to switch to the full auto mode. Okay, once the BB bullet is running out, the bolt won't lock to the rear, but this will stop the function. So you can't enjoy the dry fire. But actually it's fine because it's safe. So we totally fire about 70 rounds BB bullet, and it starts from 400 and drop to 424. So let's see that from beginning. The first beginning is 491, and the MPS is about 149, and then gradually drop to FPS dropped to 424, which means about 129 MPS. So in photo mode, the FPS drop a little quickly, but if you switch to the semi-fine mode, I think it's fine. So if you like this product, please order from the Airsoft Taiwan online shop. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.